I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over automation. It's important to set up automation for each of your Facebook pages. To access automation we come into the Automation tab, select the page that we want to set up automation for, and you can set up different automations for each page. I'm going to select Mark It with James. Then we can select a default reply. If someone types something to your chatbot which is not included in the reply rules, it will send out the default replies. We click the text box and we select the flow to be sent out when someone types a message as the default reply. In reply rules, we can set what happens when someone types a specific phrase or word. On all of your pages, you want to create a new rule and then to stop, unsubscribe, and unsubscribe as the action. These are the two basic rules that you must have on each of your pages. You can use the reply rules with the flows to set up huge chatbots which cover lots and lots of things. For example, you can create a new rule which contains Mailing Boss, and it can open up a whole new flow explaining Mailing Boss. You can create another rule that consists of chatbot, and it can go over the whole Builderall chatbot. So for example, you could have a different flow for each of the tools in Builderall, and when someone types a message which consists of a keyword to do with that tool, it could trigger the flow to explain that tool. There's tons of other ways you can use the reply rules, but that's just one example. You can also make it case sensitive. You can have it start a flow or unsubscribe, and you can also tag a user or remove a tag. You can also tag a subscriber and remove a tag from a subscriber. The welcome message is the first message that's displayed to a user when they first open Messenger on your page. Here you can edit that welcome message and customize it with first name, last name, and full name. So in this video we went over the various automations.